Hello there, this is FairBinaryOptions.com. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, bullish setups all over the place. Bullish setups when you trade binary options means you want to buy calls, as this being the logical outcome for it. This is a 1 hour chart. As you very well know, we are bullish on the pair, not only based on the 1 hour chart, but also based on higher time frames. For example, if you go on the 4 hour chart, and as you can see, this move that started here and ended here with a contracting triangle, where this move here is a double three running, and normally we are looking for values, higher values, something like one above parity, something like 101 to come to say to save the day, and for this to be extended 161.8. Now 161.8 extension means out of this wave, so from the lows here to the highs here and to here, and as you can see, if you go there and look at the 161.8, the target is something like 10068, or even low, almost 101. Now this is Tuesday, not a regular Tuesday, but a non-farm payrolls Tuesday. And if you go on the lower time frames and try to look at what market is doing here, well, market is doing here only a consolidation, but this type of consolidation seems to be a contracting triangle, because we are expecting higher values to come. Then this contracting triangle can be only continuation pattern, and look for it to break to the upside. It did break to the upside. For example, A, B, C, D, E, and now broken, a bit retested, and normally the logical outcome for this one is to reject now and go to the upside. Because of that, what we are looking for is to buy calls now. And whenever you are buying calls, you need to be careful about the expiration date. This being a 1 hour chart, I would like to buy calls with end of day expiration date. First of all, on the technical side, we have the double three running on the 4 hour chart, and then we have this contracting triangle on the 1 hour chart that just broke higher. And second of all, we have the fundamentals today in terms of the non-farm payrolls to be released and the retail sales in Canada. So all in all, expect a volatile session and expect for markets to move quite quickly. That being the case, in Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, we want to buy calls with end of day expiration date. I am trading with lionknife.com, and lionknife.com offers this end of day expiration date for the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Keep in mind, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar is a cross. That being the case, it is a cross between the Aussie and US dollar, Canadian dollar. That being the case, it is not traveling that fast. However, it might be interesting to see this cross traveling towards the 101. First of all, because of the Bank of Canada to come in this Wednesday, and I am expecting a bearish outcome of a bearish statement from Bank of Canada. And second of all, look for US dollar, Canadian dollar to threaten that target to the upside, something like 104.04 something. We do have an inverse head and shoulder there on the lower time frames. It remains to be seen. Again, on the 4 hour chart, what we are having here is a double three running. Look for the expansion to come to the upside, and on the 1 hour chart, we are looking at this expanding triangle to break higher. Now normally this would be a third wave, and the third wave extension. In order for the on the 4 hour chart, in order for one wave to extend more than or in order for one wave to be considered to be extended, it needs to travel more than 161.8 out of the next longest wave. Well, in our case here, on the 4-hour chart, the next longest wave was, or the previous motive wave was this one. So 161.8 comes, should be measured when applied to this one, and as you can see, it is quite a distance to the upside to be considered. It remains to be seen. It should be applied by the moment the previous wave ends. This is the moment the previous wave ends, the previous correction ends, and we're looking for continuation patterns. This is a continuation pattern, contracting triangle breaking to the upside. Look for more clues by the time retail sales are going to come today and the non-farm payrolls. This is what I wanted to show you for today. Again, I am trading with LionKnife.com, and they do offer end of day expiration date for the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and that's pretty much it. Until next time, stay safe on the markets, and keep in mind this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all these recommendations are being possible due to our generous sponsor here, LionKnife.